Hey there, sunshine! Oh my goodness, happy October. It is the best month of the year. Can you see my back clippy? I'm so excited. I got them from the dollar store and I feel so bougie. Guess what I have here in my hands today? I have the October Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. In it, you get like... In it, sometimes you get full-size samples, full-size products. Sometimes you get like samples. Sometimes it's a mix of both. Most of the time, it's really like high-end stuff. You get some luxury products in this. It's basically like an upgraded version of Sephora Play. Like Sephora Play samples are itsy bitsy teeny tiny, and Allure Beauty Box, you actually get samples that are like you can use a couple times. So that's why I pay the extra $5 for Allure Beauty Box. It's super cute. Plus, in it, you get a bag. So I'm very excited to see what's inside of this month's Allure Beauty Box. They have been killing it recently. Okay. Whew, okay, so the first thing... okay, we have the Soul. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got this in Boxycharm like last year, and I just never used it because I was like... I don't think a lotion is going to make my butt bigger. And trust me, like my butt has a lot of room for growth. Like my booty could definitely hold a lot more soul in it. But I don't know. I just don't feel like, you know, it's not like a lip plumper. It's not going to like make your butt plump or anything like that. It's just fast absorbing body cream to help tighten smooth like no other. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this. Ooh. Ooh. So we have this ice from moisturizing cream from Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley just settled, there was just a lawsuit settled because basically Miss Riley, the owner of Sunday Riley, was paying or encouraging employees for Sunday Riley to leave reviews on Sephora. Like she was just like, go leave reviews on Sephora and make fake accounts to leave all these positive reviews on Sephora to like help like make more sales and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this aside and maybe give that to somebody who doesn't care about like fraud in the beauty industry. Okay, so this box is so interesting so far. The next thing that I'm pulling out, ooh, Model Co. Elite's metallic eyeshadow. Okay, now that I can get down. Like, thank you for not setting out. I was like, I hope this is not another like liquid eyeliner because if it is, I'm just gonna be over this box. But if this is a metallic eyeshadow, ooh, and it's in a spooky color, black. Ooh, let's look at it. Ooh, this kind of looks like really like lip gloss, like a black lip gloss. So it doesn't really look super glittery, but okay. Okay, but it's still, we can work with that. We can make it work. Ooh, now that it's drying down, I definitely see some black glitter in there. The next thing that I'm pulling out are... Now, okay. What? These are Lumify eye drops. I just got these in like Pop Sugar because they're always being sent out in Pop Sugar. It's like free samples. Why is a beauty box sending out eye drops? Like, let me adjust this angle. There we go. Now we have a better angle. Why? Like, it's not self-care. It's like a makeup and beauty box. I just don't feel like eye drops are... They're not skincare. It's just like their own little weird section, like eye care. I don't know. I don't feel like that fits in here. Okay, hopefully this box gets better. Okay, so we have another product from Model Co. This is a metallic eyeshadow trio. Okay, let's hope it's a little bit more inventive than the other one Allure sent out a little while ago. I'm not loving this box. No, I literally just received this from Allure. What? I already have this. Like, this is a product that I already have. I gave it actually to my mom. Okay, Allure, what are we doing this month, honey? Okay, so now here we have this M61 Powerful Skincare Powerful Glow Peel 1 minute 1 step exfoliating facial peel. Ooh, okay. Oh, and we have 3 in there. Okay, yes, I'm excited to try this. I love a good peel. I'm totally down for that all the time. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this. What is this? Live, Love, Layer. There's something inside of here. What if it's a necklace? That'd be fun. Okay, so we got this necklace. Wait, it's a choker with black onyx for protection. Ooh, yes, for Halloween. Yes, but again, like, I don't know. I don't feel like this. I appreciate this because I like necklaces. This isn't something that I would wear because I don't know if it's real, and I'm allergic to a lot of like metals. I don't know anything about this brand at all, which is why I would read this before trying this on, because I am allergic to like fake cold and stuff like that. I just don't know why this is in Allure beauty box. It's pretty. I would so appreciate this more if this isn't a jewelry or a lifestyle subscription box, but Allure is a Allure beauty box. Allure Best of Beauty. That and the eye drops, I don't know. This month, I'm not vibing with this month. Okay. And the last thing that we received is this mineral bath salt Dream Away. Allure, what the heck did you do? This is like, I don't know. I'm grateful for the opportunity to review this box, and I'm so grateful that I am so like blessed enough to be able to know what a good and a bad beauty box is. But this box is like, this is like a $5 Walmart beauty box. This is like a $10, like a $7 Target beauty box, like bath salts. And this is what I like the most. And this is probably just a sample. This isn't even the whole thing. So like this literally, it doesn't feel like I got anything like luxury. I don't know anything about this brand, but already got this in Allure like 2 or 3 months ago. This just, it feels cheap. It doesn't feel exciting. It doesn't feel like I spent $15 for a luxury beauty box. This feels like I spent $5 to $7 for like something that I would get from Target or Walmart. This does not feel like Allure, you know? Like, what happened this month, Allure? What happened? I don't know. I'm not impressed with this box at all. However, at the same time, I am grateful enough to be like, able to have afford the money to be able to be like, I like this box, or I don't like this box. But like at the end of the day, I want to help save you guys money for those of you who aren't as blessed as I am. So hold off on Allure if you were thinking about signing up. I don't know. This box was a little fishy. I don't know what happened. But what did you guys think of this box? Do you think I'm overreacting? What do you think your favorite product was? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.